Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the YouTube TV subscription and who will act as the primary account manager. Once done, set up or confirm a Google Family group and invite each person's Google account email. Make sure each invitee accepts and signs into a Google account on their device. This is required for sharing. Also decide on a household location and communicate it. YouTube TV may check location for device sharing. Now proceed to add members inside the app. From YouTube TV, go to Settings and select Manage Family Sharing to add or confirm members. Once there, invite the Google Family group members. If someone isn't in the group, send a direct invite link using their Google email address. Make sure each person accepts and signs into YouTube TV on a device tied to their Google account. While adding, assign individual profiles and toggle DVR sharing so recordings and recommendations behave as you expect. Finish by testing each member on their device. Sign in, open live TV, and verify DVR access. If someone is blocked, make sure the Google account they used matches the invite and that their device reports the expected household location. If issues persist, re-invite the member, clear the app cache, update YouTube TV, or sign out and back in. One key troubleshooting tip: confirm the invited account is not using a supervision or child account, which can prevent sharing and requires an adult Google account.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.